last year, we rarely, when we bring in speakers or we bring in individuals to speak to Interlink, rarely do we repeat ourselves. However, last year we brought in a gentleman that we were referred to, and he did such a unbelievable job and is such a dynamic individual that this year, when we were looking at options for this year and what would be best for these individuals, man, at the end of the day, we went through a big old list, and it came right back down to the same individual. So we are excited to welcome on the podcast, back to back. Welcome on the podcast, and welcome back for the second year in a row to the Interlink Production Summit, Mr. Matt Easton.
Thank you, James.
Matt is man, he's a professional, and he knows sales, and he knows humans.
Yeah.
That's something last year that we got a lot of feedback was that, man, Matt just seems to get people. He doesn't get caught up in the clutter of individual emotions that can cause us to start changing the way that we approach what we know is right. He just knows people and knows ultimately what works, and is able to give tangible advice and tactics that they can go back and implement. So it was a no-brainer for us, Matt. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. It's an honor and a privilege to be here, and I'm excited to work with your people again.